Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to our reaction to Scorpions, and the song is Yellow Raven. It is my first time single take on this reaction. This is part of our Wuhan coronavirus lockdown fest, and this is a Patreon request. It's a request of our patron Kai.
Let's get started. It's not my first time listening, it's Kirti's. Yeah.
Sip the air of thunder and of rain. The yellow raven, sip the air, gentle eyes kissing the rain. Where do you go, fantastic dreambird? Take me away to somewhere, take me away from here. Where do you go, fantastic dreambird? Answer to my yearning, take me away from here. Firebird begin to cry, and the music died away. The firebird began to cry, and smoke was slowly drifting by. Where do you go, fantastic dreambird? Take me away to somewhere, take me away from here. Where do you go, fantastic dreambird? Answer to my yearning, take me away from here.
Very important message slipped in there. Such limited lyrics, but even in that, a very important message about the music industry slipped in there so subtly by Scorpions. Wow, this is the advantages of having one more guitarist than the usual rock band or metal band has. This is what you get, in all the three songs that we have heard in this session of Scorpions. The advantage of the third guitarist is very, very clear, and that's what makes it sound so good. Let's see what Kirti has to say about this song.
This is more metallic sound of the Scorpions. That's what I think. More heavier, more metal-like music here. Wow, absolutely like the voice, the way it was sung. The vocals were very, very clean, refined, clean. And like the thoughtful music one more time. The music of songs of Scorpions is like learners' treasure chests. There's so much as an aspiring musician. If a person is looking to learn and looking how to work the notes together, how to work the sounds together, they must go through Scorpions music, because there is on the listener's part there is a complete ease on listening, but I'm sure there must be a lot going on where the music must be played. I can't tell how much music they create, even when you listen to very simple music. There is unique detailing that they go through each song. This is the third song that we reacted to in this session, and I'm speechless with the musicianship. Absolutely phenomenal and very, very professional music. That's what I have to say about the music of the song. It was slow, it was subtle, at times it was heavier, it was powerful. Both the things blending together in one song. The vocals were slow, the music sometimes were metal-like. The vocals became little faster, the music becomes little milder. Everything happening just in one song without people realizing the swift changes that were happening, the subtle changes. And talking about the Yellow Raven, the song began with the beach and the seagull sounds. And this dream bird is talking to, he wants to be taken away. You said something about music. Is he troubled or berserked about something related to music industry?
I feel there's a subtle and very powerful message in there. The lines reveal that perhaps someone who's a ardent Scorpion fan will have a better understanding of it than me.
Okay.
The firebird began to cry when the music died away.
Yeah.
That line reveals it all. We'll leave it at that. Let's see how smart the Scorpions fans are. Or will they have to Wikipedia it or Google it?
Okay.
And will they get the right answer from there? That's a mystery. That's it for this one. Check out our Patreon page to learn more about Kirti and me and how we take up requests. Link in the description box of this video. Goodbye.